In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a custom domain for your Figma Make site. If you want your project to look more polished and easier to share, updating the domain is a great way to personalize your site link. Start by opening the Figma Make file for the website you want to publish. Before you can change the domain, your site must be published at least once. If you haven't published it yet, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Choose your thumbnail, confirm your settings, and publish the site. Once it's live, Figma Make unlocks the option for domain customization. Now that your site is published, click on Settings in the top right corner of your Make file. From the menu that appears, select Domains. This is where you'll see the auto-generated Make URL for your website. To change it, simply edit the domain text field to whatever name you want. Make sure it's unique. If someone else has claimed that domain, Figma will tell you to choose a different one. Once you've typed your custom domain and it's available, save your changes. Your published website will instantly update to use your new custom link. You can share this cleaner URL with clients, teams, or anyone you want to show your website to. That's all it takes. Publish your site, go to Settings, open Domains, and set your custom link.